Earlier on, we found out that we can generate semester results from the student registration window. However, a better way to generate the reports is if you come to reports here. Whenever you generate the raw scores and letter grades, the statement of result for that particular semester is automatically generated for each student, as many students as are in the class. So if we take this course and then we say we want to generate for first semester, now I am opening the window of statement of results. Normally the raw scores and letter grades should go to the raw scores and letter grades folder, but in addition to that, the semester results for first semester 2021-2022 will be automatically generated for all students while you are generating raw scores. So you really don't need to go back to the student window to print them. All of them will just come in here for you automatically. So let's generate raw scores and letter grades for first semester. So you see, while the raw scores and letter grades has been printed in the other side, the Excel sheet is in the other side. In this folder, you see it has generated the results for all the 17 students in the class automatically. If you don't want them, you can delete them. However, whenever you need them, they will be available here. Every time you generate raw scores and letter grades, these results will be automatically posted here for you. Even if you generated it again after updating the results, all the Excel files here will be automatically updated. Okay, so you can see the results here.